just burned my pinky toe. Oh, on the edge of this. Oh. Gorgeous people, welcome back to another episode of, oh my gosh, nigga, you're here again. It's your girl at the Nix on the beat. Today I'm giving you guys the full glam look. It's a very easy eyeshadow look. As you guys can see, I say, nigga, that does not look easy at all. I know, honestly, and that is the trick we're gonna play on the people. I also did a very simple glammed hairstyle for those of you who aren't interested in wearing weaves, still want to look gorgeous with your natural hair. So I got you guys with this cute style that I've been doing and has been getting me all the compliments. Anyways, if you'd like to see how I achieved everything on my face, then you know what to do. Keep on watching. So I just want to show you guys how I style my hair, especially when I'm just in a hurry but I still want to look cute. I'm using this curl activator gel for my hair right now. I'm just going to use it to enhance my curls. It doesn't really do much, but you know, just to get it to be a little bit more curly. I'm focusing this sparingly all over my hair. Ooh, 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 yeah, yeah. So I'm going in with a white tooth comb and I'm just going to comb the bottom of my hair. I'm not combing the top because I want the curls to remain. Next, I get my string, and this string is what I used to tie my hair. I cut it from my durag because I didn't have shoelace. Actually, I do have shoelace, but I wasn't willing to use it for my hair, so this comes pretty handy for me. Okay, so before going in with the stringation, I'm using my Got To Be ultra glued styling gel. I just basically put it on my hand, rub it together like this, and then focus it around the edges of my hair, just to keep packing it on till it's done. You're probably like, Nix, it doesn't even look that cute. I know, can you wait for me to finish? I'm just going to take a small comb and I'm just going to comb the front part of the hair to slick it down even more. So this way, when you do tie it, it just stays flat and down. And I do this style, I've been doing this style recently, and a lot of people have been like complimenting me on the road. Like yesterday, I went to Starbucks and this guy was like, oh my god, you look so beautiful. I'm like, oh my god, thanks. So I'm going in with a string. I like doing the knot in the front rather than the back because I know how to hide it in the front compared to, you know, it being at the back. Then I'll hold the both of them, then push this to the back. Just be pushing it. I'm going to move the back, and when I notice that it's getting a little bit loose, I tighten it again, and then I just keep moving, tightening, moving till I get to an area of my head that I feel like is presentable or it's okay for me to tie it. But before I tie it, I check the back, and as you can see, it's too low at the back, so I push it up till it gets to my ogo area. Then I tighten it again. Okay? So I'm tying it, boom. So this is what it's not supposed to look like. So now I'm just going to scatter my hair all over to hide the bandation. You don't have to scarf this side of your hair because you already have the Got To Be, so it's going to be glued down. Also, your hair kind of has to be wet to do this for it to look the prettiest, but you can also do it on dry hair. So yeah, this is the hairstyle that I literally do every other day. folks, concealer time. You guys know that I am kind of, maybe not that secretly, obsessed with the Cover FX concealer. The where is you? Come here, whatever you there. I'm obsessed with the Cover FX Power Play concealer because I haven't found anything that can, you know, take my heart away. But something came and just told my heart right out, and I've been putting this at the back seat while this has been in the front seat strapped with me. Milk Makeup Flex concealer in the shade Tan. I've used it two times now, and I'm actually vibing this concealer, guys. I actually really like it. The only thing I don't like about it is that this part is white, and my foundation shade already will not allow this color to be great, because as soon as I'm done with foundation, touching the beauty blender, as I open like this, just turn brown, and it now makes me feel like a dirty girl, and that's not how I want to feel, you know. Love the wand, looks like a lipstick wand, but what I find is that it doesn't give me as much product. Even with the Power Play, I just need a little and then it blends everywhere. But this one is where you put the concealer that you see the concealer. So I literally have to put it, can you see how I'm putting it on large surface area compared to the other concealers that I've used? Because the last time when I focused it only under my eye, that was the only place that was highlighted, and I was looking like I don't know what I was doing. Okay, so I'm going back in with my darker foundation to just give myself a brownation, because I'm noticing that the concealer is taking over my face. Yes. Yeah. First things first, I'm the realist. Let me start by saying this is the eyeshadow look that I'm doing today. It's so easy, that's why I'm so happy. I'm using my Yanga Beauty Assurance Primer. This primer is amazing. My favorite palette of recent is the Yanga Beauty Arielle eyeshadow palette. I'm choosing this shade here called Johanse. I'm just going to apply it on my crease area. Boom! All blended. The reason why I love this eyeshadow primer, I can use it just as an eyeshadow. Amazing, because it dries matte. That's another fun fact. Going back in with the Johanse, I'm just going to add a lot more pigment to the end. I'm liking this. Now I go in with somebody I don't like because he was my ex-boyfriend and was an asshole, but this color is nice, so I'm just gonna use it. It's this color called In Your Bong, and I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and focus that just sparingly onto the center of the primer. I need the Assurance Primer to brighten up my tear duct area, so when I'm applying the tear duct color, it would stand out from all the rest. Now I go in with a Sarentine Rapture. I'm using my Yanga Beauty Assurance Primer to highlight the bottom of my eye. Now I'm using the Johanse shade, which is the purple shade. I'm putting that onto the Assurance Primer. So this is what the story is saying and telling us, but we're not done, so that's awesome. I'm using the Yanga Beauty Attitude Gel Smooth Gel Liner in the number 02, and I'm just focusing that on the center-ish of my eyes. I'm going back in with Osarentine, purple shade I added to my tear dot area, and I'll be focusing that at the front of the bottom of my bottom eye. Yay! Okay, I am back. I don't know why I'm doing my shoulders like this, but I feel good, so I'm gonna continue. The best part of using the Eyeshadow primer is that I can use it on my lips, which I love so much. Finding this has really touched my heart. I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Oh my gosh, you guys, I feel like a different person. So this is the finished look. The look is just so easy and so amazing that when people see you, they don't know that the eyeshadow does not even take that much time. When you now drop this kind of lashes, you know, on top of the makeup, they're like, oh my god, she's such a talented makeup artist. This is the finished look, and I'm so impressed with how it came out. Loving the Milk Makeup concealer, although I have noticed that it doesn't really conceal the cracks under my eyes as well, but the concealer is still so amazing. Love the pigmentation, love the finish. It's just amazing for me, and I really like the concealer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do find this look easy, please comment below. But if you think that is a bit harder than what you want to do, then to be honest, I'll keep working on simpler, glammed looks for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the love with your friends, your families, enemies, and everybody in this world. Adios, amigos. Catch you later. And I say it like a minute, 'cause I'm in peace.